Hey guys, today I will show you how you can unfreeze your Tron on Trust Wallet. So first what you need to do is open Trust Wallet and use the search bar at the top to find TRX. Make sure you select the native Tron token, which is different from wrapped versions on other networks. Tap on Tron and you'll be taken to the Tron menu. To unfreeze your Tron, which basically means to unstake it, tap on the native staking option. Before unstaking, make sure you claim your rewards so you receive both your staking rewards and the tokens you're about to unstake. Now tap on unstake, enter the amount of TRX you'd like to unfreeze, and then press continue. This will unfreeze your Tron and the unstaked tokens will move into pending status. Keep in mind that Tron has a waiting period. Your tokens will only become available after about 13 to 14 days. During this time, your staking rewards stop, so you'll only keep what you've earned up to the point of unstaking. For example, if you had earned $100, you'll keep that, but no new rewards will accumulate. Once the waiting period is over, the unfrozen tokens will be released back into your wallet balance, and you can confirm it by refreshing your wallet. And that's it. That's how you unfreeze Tron on Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching.